today's problem is this. It doesn't want to work anymore. So I'm gonna, apparently her sister broke them. It kind of like doesn't work. So I'm gonna draw out these two little things here and see what's inside. So stay tuned, I'm fixing more junk, probably gonna throw it in the garbage. So watch what I'm doing here. Watch and learn nothing. Just kidding. All right, now let's see, we got the drill. We are totally unprepared. Why won't this work? Why is it wobbly? I know why. I don't think they watched Encanto. Dingleberry. Well, that's fun. It's like just spinning around. You spin me round and round. Oh, we gotta put this on something metal. Oh, here we go. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Here we go. This on here, so it doesn't spin, and then like this. Shit. Well, that's fun. How do you drill out a rivet that keeps spinning? I don't know. Good question. Maybe you just put more weight on it. Okay, that one works. Maybe this will work. Maybe. All right, I need a center punch. I usually have one here somewhere. I usually have one. Where is my punch that I usually have here? I have like a million of them. Of course, I can't find it. Where's the center punch? Where is the center punch? Where did it go? Talk about prepared, huh? Oh, there we go. There we go. Look at that. Center punch. Need it. Probably. Try to get this out of here. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, will it come out? Take a vice grip. Like so. Pull this out of here. Lift this up a little. There we go. Are you helping out, Kyle?
No.
No?
How do I plug this in?
You need to plug it into the phone.
Oh, the phone.
There we go. There's one. Okay, we got one off here.
Like your phone?
Yeah, it's a analog mic, not a...
Oh, okay.
Come on.
I'll plug it into your phone.
No, not my phone. You gotta plug it into the other phone.
Like
Will
my
that fit?
phone?
Like my phone. It's gotta go down.
Your black phone?
Yeah. Get this out of here. There we go. So, I'm just trying to take this off here. Oh, good old Milwaukee vice grips.
Then what's this button for in there?
That's to turn it on and off. Come on. Here we go. 2 pins out.
Hello?
Let's see what's wrong with this thing now.
Hello?
That one and this one are connected to a little pin. Really? That's it? Really? So this thing is connected to this, like this. And this one is supposed to be connected like that. Huh, weird. What in the world is going on here? I guess I gotta take this part too now. Guess that's gotta come apart too, somehow. What are you doing, silly? Take this out of here. We don't have a, what do you call it for that?
Phone?
We don't have an extra phone here. We didn't bring one.
Why can't you use your white phone?
Because it's dead.
Why don't you use your black phone?
Because we're using it right now, recording. Oh, I see what's wrong with it. The little plastic piece broke.
What?
The little plastic gizmo broke.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. She says,
Doesn't matter.
doesn't matter. So anyway, the little thing that, see, it goes on here like
Hello?
so. There's a,
Hello?
there's another one on the side of it. On this, there's a little piece there. Little piece that broke. This one broke off. That's pretty much it. I'm guessing I probably will have to. The thing I will probably have to do is make a new one. Basically, make one of these. I should make one. I should make one of these out of aluminum. So I should do. See if that'll work. So anyway, I don't know if you can see this right here. See,
Right.
that thing's out one, and this one's busted. So next project will be to machine a piece that goes on here. Because my kiddies are like crazy. They break everything. Anyway, that's the end of that video. We were supposed to take apart a blender, but the blender actually works. So no blender, right, Kaya?
Right.
No blender tonight. So thanks for watching. I will make another piece for this and put it back together. Toodles.